is for bee, buzzing around. C is for cat, who loves to play. D is for dog, barking all day. E is for elephant, big and gray. Learning the alphabet's fun this way. F is for fish, swimming in the sea. G is for garden, green as can be. H is for horse, galloping so fast. I is for ice cream, a tasty blast. J is for jelly, wobbly and sweet. K is for kite, flying so neat. L is for lion, with a mighty roar. M is for monkey, swinging to explore. N is for nest, where the birdies stay. O is for owl, who hoots all day. P is for penguin, sliding on ice. Q is for queen, royal and nice. R is for rainbow, shining so bright. S is for stars, twinkling at night. T is for tiger, striped and strong. U is for umbrella, on rainy days long. V is for violin, playing a tune. W is for whale, under the moon. X is for xylophone, a musical treat. Y is for yo-yo, spinning so neat. Z is for zebra, with stripes of black and white. E is for wand, raining days long. V is for violin, under the moon. Under the moon. Under the moon.
Like, share, subscribe.